Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have this anti-hair loss solution. We're gonna check this stuff out and see what it looks like here. I guess I'm losing a little bit of my hair, but not too bad. But let's see how this stuff looks. It says it is a DHT blocker 1 month supply. So it says it has oil control, hair loss for hair loss reduction, and new hair growth. Every spray brings surprises. It's, let's see, I don't know. See what it looks like inside. So this is what it looks like here. It's got a very interesting looking bottle. It says 60 milliliters, and then it's got this here, and it sprays like, let's see if I can get it to spray. Oh, there, it's like a mist kind of a spray. Here, I'm gonna spray it like that. So that's what it looks like there. And I guess you spray it on your hair. I'm not gonna do it at the moment, but this should hopefully help with that. It says globally patented and clinically proven KX826. So hopefully this stuff should work if you're losing some hair. Thumbs up.